you just upgraded to a 6K camera, but your footage still looks kinda flat? No amount of sharpness or pixels seem to make it cinematic? Yeah, that's because resolution isn't everything. Dynamic range is what separates video from cinema. It's the difference between capturing a blown-out sky and seeing every cloud detail while still keeping the shadows deep and rich. It's not about how many pixels you have, it's about how much light information those pixels can hold. Let's see it side by side, 8-bit versus 10-bit, SDR versus HDR. Notice how the high dynamic range image keeps the highlights smooth and the shadows detailed. That's dynamic range in action. When your camera has higher dynamic range, you can push your color grade harder, recover more details, and make your shots feel more natural, even at lower resolutions. Meanwhile, a 6K image with poor dynamic range, it just gives you a sharper image. Here's how to make the most of your camera's dynamic range. Shoot in log or RAW. These formats preserve way more highlight and shadow data. Expose for highlights. Don't blow them out, because you can always lift shadows later. Use LUTs or color grading tools designed for log footage. Pixflow LUT packs are optimized for log to Rec 709 conversions, so you get balanced contrast and dynamic range without crushing the blacks or clipping the whites. We've got custom LUTs for Sony, Red, RE, DJI, and even iPhone. So no matter your gear, you can maximize your dynamic range and keep that cinematic depth. So next time you're comparing cameras, don't just look at the resolution number. Look at how much light the sensor can see, because the real magic of cinema isn't in 8K. It's in every detail between black and white.